If you want to create an online membership app like OnlyFans, then you have come to the right video. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps to develop a successful membership platform. From planning and design to development and launch, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you will have a comprehensive understanding of what entrepreneurs need to know before venturing into the online membership app industry. You want to create a membership app, but what type of membership app do you envision? When asked this question, you might think of OnlyFans, Patreon or Ko-Fi. However, these apps belong to different categories within the membership app industry. Let's explore the various types of membership apps. Content subscription apps. These include apps like OnlyFans and Patreon. These are the apps where the creators offer exclusive content to subscribers who then pay for access to premium articles, videos, or other media. Fitness and wellness apps. These include apps like MyFitnessPal, Fitbit Premium and Peloton. These apps focus on health and fitness. Users pay to access workout routines, nutrition plans, and wellness content. Entertainment and media apps. These include apps like Netflix, Spotify Premium, Audible. These apps offer streaming services and the users pay to access a wide range of media content such as movies, music, and audiobooks. Similarly, there are membership apps in various verticals such as lifestyle and hobby, business and productivity, travel and adventure, and financial services, among others. Now that you understand the different types of membership apps, you are better equipped to decide which type to develop for your business. The most important step for you as an entrepreneur looking to enter the membership app market is defining your prime content creator base. This means identifying who your main content creators will be and what type of content they will produce. For instance, you might have an idea for a membership app for chefs creating culinary content, or perhaps an app for fitness trainers sharing health and fitness routines. Alternatively, your app could cater to ASMR content creators, or even serve a unique adult audience. Understanding your target creators and their specific niche will help you design an app that meets their needs and attracts their audience. To create a successful membership platform like OnlyFans, you need a technical partner like Brew Labs. Our highly skilled team of developers and designers leverages cutting-edge technologies and advanced AI to deliver an exceptional app with engaging user experiences. We will provide you with a robust admin panel for efficient management and control of customers and businesses across your membership app. Our dynamic customer app ensures seamless access for users, offering an uninterrupted experience. With our advanced technology suite, you can expect top-notch performance that sets your membership app apart from the competition. Upon completion of your membership app, we will transfer full ownership of the source code and intellectual property rights to you. If you are interested in creating your own app like OnlyFans to enter the lucrative world of membership app industry, then click the link in the video's description and fill the form on our website and schedule a free consultation and demo session with us today. Our team of experts will answer any questions you may have and provide a personalized demo tailored to your business needs. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.